The moral story is about the cap seller and the monkeys. So let's get started. There was a cap seller. He used to make and sell caps to neighboring villages and market. One day he packed all his caps in a basket and set foot on his journey. It was a hot day. He got tired of walking and decided to rest under a big tree. Since he was tired, he fell asleep. After some time, he woke up. He was shocked to see his basket empty. The caps were missing. He started looking everywhere when he suddenly spotted a monkey wearing a cap. He looked up to the tree and saw many monkeys wearing his cap. He now understood everything. When he was sleeping, several monkeys came down the tree and pulled the cap seller's basket. They picked up the caps and climbed back up the trees. The cap seller became very upset. He shouted at the monkeys on the tree. The monkeys yelled back at him. The cap seller was irritated. He picked up few stones from the ground and threw them at the monkeys to scare them. But the monkeys started pelting stones in return too. The cap seller was frustrated now. He started crying. The monkeys started crying too. Now he realized that the monkeys were imitating him. He thought of an idea and threw his cap on the ground. Seeing this, all the monkeys copied his action and did exactly the same. The cap seller quickly collected his cap in the basket and ran away. The moral of the story is wisdom is powerful than strength. Until next story, take care and bye bye.